Kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of myself. I can take care of
Yes.
myself. Magtanong na kayo ng magtanong. Pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. Not if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
You're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President. I will talk slower.
Panyero, you talk slower.
Okay. Mr.
Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi naiintindihan.
Sa mga kongresista na kaalyado ng mga NPA, mahaya naman tayo sa topic ng pagpatay dahil kayo mismo, hindi kayo nagsasalita sa pagpatay ng NPA sa mga pulis.